Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to replace a bathroom fan cover. So this particular cover right here is for the brand Broan-NuTone. And as far as the fan itself, this cover fits a housing dimension of 7.5 by 7 1/4. So like I said, if you were to get a tape measure, your fan housing should be 7.5 by 7 1/4 if you were to use this one right here. So, like I said, it's not anything hard to do. However, if you've never done it, like I said, you may have a couple questions. So when you open it up, you're going to see it's got 2 springs on each side. And to insert the cover, what you have to do, you squeeze these springs together, and there is a slot up there on the housing that it goes in on each side. So you do one side at a time. Like I said, you'll squeeze it together. All right, squeeze it together. And then you press it up, and that spring is going to spread back out. And that's it right there. So let's say if you wanted to take it down, it's basically the same process. You pull this thing down, and then one side at a time, you're gonna squeeze those springs. All right, let that drop. All right, so it's pretty easy. So like I said, I'm gonna put it up, I'm gonna leave it up there, squeeze your springs together, insert into the slot. Make sure it's nice and even. All right, that's it. So, like I said, it's an easy project. Like I said, I hope this was helpful for you. And if it was, I would appreciate a like and subscribe. Thank you.